Is your PhonePe account a black hole where money disappears, and you're left wondering where it all went? Let's shed some light on those monthly expenses. First, open your PhonePe application. You'll land on the home page, which displays various options. Now, look for the history icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. This will take you to a detailed record of all your PhonePe transactions. Next, spot the filter icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the history page. Tap this icon to access filtering options. You'll now see several filtering options. You can filter by categories such as bills, food, shopping, and so on, or by payment modes like UPI or wallet. But for our purpose, we will use the date filter. Tap on the date option and select the desired date range for the month you want to analyze. For example, if you want to see expenses for the current month, select the first day of the month as the start date and today's date as the end date. Once you have selected the dates, tap Apply. PhonePe will now display all transactions within that date range. This will give you a clear overview of your monthly spending. Analyze this list to see where your money is going. Now, you can finally take control of your expenses.